How to send large videos on Gmail. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open any browser and search for transfer now. Then simply tap on this link here. So make sure this is the one. And then you're gonna get redirected here. Now what you're gonna have to do, so you don't need an account, you don't need anything, just simply tap on start. And then you're gonna have to simply choose your video, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your email address. And now if you want, you can add a sender name here and the recipient's email. So if you want to send this to someone else email, simply enter their email and tap on transfer, and basically that's it. Now if you want, you can also create a link, and here you can enter your email address or simply enter a random email. It doesn't matter because you don't need to do any verification. And then simply tap on transfer, and after this loads up, you're gonna receive a link, and if you share this link with someone else, they can simply download the video without creating any account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.